You have closet space here. Life jackets are up there. Hangers. There's a bunch of hangers in here, not normally. We keep our luggage over here. A lot of closet space for all your needs. Hangers they provide. More space here. The bathroom is right here. Light switch for the bathroom is here. The light switch for the whole room is here. Bathroom. Turn the light on. Standard bathroom. You got your shower with like a massager and a jet on it thing. Standard shower. You got shower gel and shampoo. All the towels here. Toilet paper, a mirror, and ours has stuff on it because this is, we've been in here already. There's tissue, and yeah, and then there is a outlet thing for shavers up here, and there is 2 more racks right here, or hangers for your towels. You do have a nice like desk counter area, the phone, and it has like a bunch of preset stuff on it. You do have an outlet over here, right there, 1 outlet. Light switch here to turn this light on, so that gets pretty bright. Big mirror here. We have something plugged into the outlet. You do have a lot of drawers for drawer space, and there's your blow dryer there, but every drawer is the same and they're all like that size there, so those there. You do have a desk drawer, which we do put a lot of stuff in, so there's that. And your fridge is right here. Keep stuff cold. And yep, your safe is in here. Everything you want to keep safe, money, IDs, stuff like that. Television is up here. Another mirror there. Some artwork here. We do have a couch with a light over there. And this does pull out into a bed. We got that light there. The bed does not normally come with that many pillows, but we asked for extra. The bed is comfy and nice. We do have these cabinets over here that we do put some things in them, but cleaning them out. Have another light over there. No USB or plug-ins by the bed. Just letting you know that. There is a master switch over there. Don't know if you can see it, for the lights. So if you're in bed, there's a light switch right here for outside. And then here we go, the balcony. Open that up. And I don't know if this is, oh, I had it unlocked and I locked it. So you push. It does say air conditioned, keep door closed. There is quite of a step here. Quite a step right there. Some balconies have it. Now this one slams, so you gotta be careful with that. But yeah, it comes with 2 chairs. There's one. There's a little stand out here. There's another. We do have an extra chair because we requested it, but it does not normally come with 3 chairs, okay? But you can request another one if you want. So there's the other chair, and then there's that light I was talking about. You can turn on at night, and you get this awesome view right here of the ocean. So pretty cool, and that is the room tour. Bye.